My fifth and final new technology that I wanted to show you is called Newsela, Newsela.com. And I have used this in the past, although recently I've started to use it a little bit more. This video is meant for educators, just to kind of give you an idea of how to use Newsela in your classroom. The educator ISTE standards are 7B, which is accommodating all learner needs, and 7C, which is using data to build student self-direction, because I think Newsela is a great way to do that. So I already signed in. You're going to sign in using your Google account, and you'll have to set it up as a teacher and tell them what grade level you teach. And then you can create classes. Okay, you can see I've already got a readers class in there. And you can add students into your classes. I've entered my daughters already. So once you have all that set up, you might want to find an article that you think would be interesting. And if you look over here, you can narrow it down by level, text level, reading skills. You have all your standards right there. You can even change the language. So I'm going to assign big questions. What makes oceans so salty? I can create the assignment. Okay, I can type in different instructions if I'd like here. And then I'm going to click Assign Now. Now here's the fun part about this. Newsela will actually use their students' past performance to change the level of the text to make it right for them. Now if you go into the article, you can actually click up here and it will let you change the Lexile rating of the text. So I can make this a much easier text to read, or I can make it a much harder text to read by putting it at the maximum Lexile. That to me is awesome because you always have a room full of different readers. So now I can make it so that they can all read the same article and give me the same activity. Now, there's different activities that go with it. There's power words, which are right here. Those are their domain-specific words, which are really important in the standards. There's a piece where they can write a prompt. And there's a quiz they can take. Now, this is something the students can log in and take the quiz and do the writing and submit it right to you, and it shows up here in your binder. I did, sorry, that's actually, you can see what they've submitted, although it's not letting me because I had a little trouble with the login. I was under a student account because my daughter had been using it. But you can filter it by time. My favorite part is being able to change Lexile, really. That's why I like this so much. And you do get their student progress right away. You get to see their quizzes. There's all different kinds of text sets you can get here. You can filter it by current news. You can filter it by the type of news you want. My daughter was doing a lot of science current events, and that's why we were using this an awful lot. Or you can filter it by all of these different standards. So Newsela is a great way to differentiate for the different levels of reading that you have in your classroom and to give them different types of assessments. And it's also a great way for them to be able to kind of see where they're at in their learning and to be able to set their own goals. So I hope you're able to use that in your classroom. This is a site I really love.